My name's Jay Schaefer, and welcome to Schaefer City. We've been around for 11 years, and we pride ourselves on having some of the best seafood, oysters, wine, beer in New York City. Schaefer's all about the fireplace. It's about coming inside and warming your toes. It's about drinking great wine. It's about eating great food. It's about being treated as if you were in my home. My staff is as friendly and accommodating as any staff around, and we pride ourselves on the warmth we exude to our customers. And I actually care about what you eat. It's not just somebody in the kitchen making food over and over again. We go in there and we like to make seafood. We like to make people feel good, and we love to wow you with what we do.